Calling Patrick to show the Dubai outfit for the work
Hello?
function.
Hello? Patrick. Oh, thank you for the outfit. Thank you for the outfit. Your sister did a very good buy on this outfit. I'm well dressed. Well dressed. Let I give you a 360 of the outfit, Patrick. What a way I look good. I'm looking so fabulous. Well, I go and mad them at my workplace at this event here. Yes. I'm looking so stush. Oh, yes. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you. Oh, you did a very good job. I'm so happy. I'm just smiling. Yes. Everyone at my workplace is asking where I get this hair to buy and this outfit. They said it looks so fabulous. I tell them that he's my sister-in-law that went to Dubai and get all these nice things for me. All my, Lord, my Gucci purse. Yes, thank you. There. I think them grudge me. I think them grudge me because it's not even like they used to talk to me. And they come to ask me about where did I get this nice outfit from. It seems they have bad mind.